Use these tips to improve your Copilot search results. Tip number 1. Write clear but detailed instructions. Break your habit of Google searching using 1 or 2 words. Instead, using Copilot as if you were asking a friend or a colleague a question. For example, who was the 2021 NFL rushing leader? Tip number 2. Provide citations, text, or reference links. Start by writing an email, then asking Copilot to make the following sound more enthusiastic to amp up my team. Then provide the example text from your clipboard and let Copilot work its magic. If you're referencing a web page and you need to summarize it for your team, you can do that too. Just ask Copilot to summarize the following link. Tip number 3. Asking a complicated question that needs a more complex answer often needs to be divided into smaller subtasks. It's more manageable for Copilot, just like humans, to break that down and solve problems across multiple questions and inputs. Ask Copilot to add 3 numbers, then ask it to multiply the result, then ask it to take that result and divide it. Allow the model some time to think. If Copilot is taking too much time to get you an answer, get yourself a cup of coffee, stand up, stretch. It will get you the answer in time. Tip number 4. Take advantage of external tools such as plugins and Copilot. Microsoft Copilot offers a unique approach to AI incorporating plugins for more sources of data. Try enabling the Kayak plugin and then asking for it to help finding affordable airline and hotel prices for an upcoming trip. Be specific. Copilot can feed you back results in a table format for you to make informed decisions and help you book your trip faster. These are just some of the ways that you can take advantage of Copilot. What else will you think of? Do you have questions or need more help utilizing Microsoft Copilot or other Microsoft 365 services? Contact Virteva today and ask us how we can help.